All right, on to today's show, which is from a guest who stays at an Airbnb, and they had to pay a cleaning fee. And they want to know, how do I know that the Airbnb host is actually cleaning, or if they just pocketed my cleaning fee? All right, so here's how this works. If there is one thing, if there is only one thing that the Airbnb host is going to do, and this goes for vacation rental, short-term rentals, homestay, home share, whatever the term is that you're most comfortable using, the one thing that is the most important to them is the cleaning, because the cleaning will determine your rating and review. So if you get to a house and the house is not clean, the beds are not made, there's peanut butter smooshed on the counter from the last guest, there's garbage left in the disposal, and there's dirt on the floor, you are not going to stay, right? The very first thing you're going to do is complain. So ratings and reviews are paramount to the success of the business, because other guests read that social proof, and then they determine whether or not they're going to stay with that Airbnb host. So I promise they're going to do the cleaning, okay? Now, whether or not they hire a cleaner or they do it themselves, it doesn't matter. There are a lot of hosts that do the cleaning themselves, and they do a spectacular job, because in their minds, nobody's going to do it as well as they do. Some of them do it to save money. So it really depends, but it does not matter. Even if they do their own cleaning and they pocket the money, that's fair, because professional house cleaners get paid to clean. And if you have a host that's going to do that job, they too should get paid. Now, when you are a member of Airbnb, they ask you, do you pay a living wage? It's called a living wage promise to your help. And that's the person that does the bookings and the listings and the marketing and the house cleaner and all these partners that make the Airbnb go. Do you pay a living wage? Meaning we're not hiring people and then undercutting them, paying them under the table, and we're not paying them enough to live off of, right? So even if it's the host themselves, if they pocket the money, it's because they earned it. Really? They earned it. And so did they pocket the money? I hope so. I hope that if they are in fact doing their own cleaning, I hope they pocketed your money instead of reinvesting it into the business. I hope they earned some money from this, because I promise you, your cleaning for your Airbnb is paramount to their success. And if not, I hope they hired a professional house cleaner, and I hope they paid them fair living wages. It's the living wage promise. Alrighty, so that's how that works.